Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off or on your Instagram dark mode. You open your Instagram profile and you go into your settings menu, and then you should find an option that says themes. Then you can select dark mode or light mode or screen default. If you put it on screen default, when you turn your phone's dark mode, the Instagram will be dark. If you turn it into light mode, your Instagram would be light, like this. Let me just turn my dark mode on for a second and I will show you the next step. Then, when you select dark or light mode on your theme's settings, it doesn't matter if your phone is on dark mode or light mode, your Instagram will stay as you choose. You should look when I have my Instagram on light mode. It doesn't matter if my phone is on dark mode, the light mode on Instagram it stays as default.